Hello, Chef here with another natural, healthy wellness tip for you. I was in one of the gardens harvesting all this basil and I got a lot of it. So my goal today is, since I've got so much of this beautiful basil, is to chop up and dry some of it. Dry basil, as you know, looks about like this, but this is something special right here. You can't go buy this in the store. So this is stronger, mintier, more full flavor, more nutrients, because I grew it and chopped it, dried it myself. I know exactly what it is and how fresh it is. Same thing here. That's what's going on here. This is the freshest basil you can get if you grow it yourself or buy it from the supplier, meet the farmer. This has been washed and dried, and I'm just removing some of the stems. And then once I have some of the stems removed, I'm going to show you a quick method to chop it. There's some tools out there and they all help a little bit. A food processor, by the way, will smash the basil. I like the knife. Produces a much cleaner cut. So these stems, I'm going to save these and put them in my stock. These are basically ending up in like chicken soup or something like that. Okay, move them off to the side. These little buds are going to go in there. That's good stuff. And of course the leaves. Look at that basil leaf. Beautiful. Alright, so basically you line them up. I'm using 2 knives today. These are both 8-inch chef knives. And let's see, I'm going to show you my trick here. You hold the knives together and you hold them at the tip, and basically gives you a rocking motion. So 2 knives together, twice as fast. The cuts are much quicker. Okay, line it up. Oh yeah, looking good already. Okay, the finished chopped basil looking really good. At this point I like to take it and get it in a stainless steel pan. Just like this, get it all in there. And I like to dry it in the sunshine. Natural, fresh basil. Oh yeah. Okay, don't forget to visit your sponsor. Score all the cool stuff they got there if you need these. Professional chef knives, butcher blocks. Yeah, with that, I'm gonna finish with a little bit of tea. Of course, I've got some fresh basil in there. This is a mango ginger honey tea with fresh basil. Wow, that's good. Thanks for watching. Please click that little like button, subscribe, and watch the next video. Have a great day. The finished dry basil. Looking really, really good. Smells so good. This will get put in a container and used when the fresh basil is not available. Watermelon boat. Check out the chef's tools at the sponsor right there. Yeah, this knife is the sharpest knife made in Germany right now. Turbo. I like it. Wild mushroom and other great chef recipes. Click that little like button. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, and share this recipe with some of your friends, especially if they're into organics and vegan, you know, the wild living and foraging. And you might not even believe it's a mushroom. Don't forget about your sponsor. If you need all the cool stuff right there. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. This is Appalachian red oak with a clear coat of food-safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm going to be back and show you a few tips here.